Once you can you see all around? It's a square, can you spot it now? Four sides, four corners, it's so neat. Square, square, it's the shape we love to greet. Shapes everywhere we go. Round with a circle or a triangle, you know. Shapes, come and sing along. Let's learn about them with a happy song. Round and round, spinning all around. It's a circle, never lets us down. One smooth side, no corners, that's right. Circle, circle, it's the shape we like to write.
Pointy corners, 1, 2, 3. It's a triangle, can't you see? Three sides, three angles, what a sight. Triangle, triangle, with the shape so bright.
It's so bright. Shapes are fun, they're everywhere. In the toys we play and the clothes we wear. So let's clap our hands and stomp our feet. Learning shapes can't be beat. Shapes everywhere we go. Square, circle, triangle, don't you know? Shapes, come and sing along. Let's learn about them with a happy song.
Thanks for singing about shapes today. Keep exploring, learning all the way.
See you next time. Bye for now.